The letter A. A. A is for apple. Apple.
Apple.
Grandma is picking red apples. Do you know what these are? These are green Granny Smith apples. The letter B. B. B is for bee. Bee.
Bee.
Bees have black and yellow stripes. Bees get nectar from flowers to make honey. The letter C. C. C is for cat. Cat.
Cat.
Cats are good pets. Baby cats are called kittens. The letter D. D. D is for duck. Duck.
Duck.
These ducks are swimming in the pond. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow ducklings sitting in the sun. The letter E. E. E is for egg. Egg.
Egg.
I see 2 white eggs and 3 brown ones. There are 6 eggs in this tray. The letter F. F. F is for flowers. Flowers.
Flowers.
Fiona is picking beautiful pink flowers. These pink flowers are blooming. The letter G. G. G is for grapes. Grapes.
Grapes.
Gary is eating green grapes. Mom is washing some green grapes for snack. The letter H. H. H is for hippo. Hippo.
Hippo.
The hippos are eating grass. These hippos are drinking water. The letter I. I is for iguana. Iguana.
Iguana.
Can you see the green iguana? This iguana is eating green leaves. The letter J. J. J is for jelly beans. Jelly beans.
Jelly beans.
I see so many colorful jelly beans. Which color jelly bean do you like? The letter K. K. K is for kite. Kite.
Kite.
Catherine's kite is very colorful. Catherine's kite is flying high in the sky. The letter L. L. L is for ladybug. Ladybug.
Ladybug.
There is one ladybug on this flower. Now the ladybug is on Leon's hand. The letter M. M. M is for milk. Milk.
Milk.
Michelle is drinking a cold glass of milk. Maya is pouring milk on her cereal. The letter N. N. N is for nest. Nest.
Nest.
There are 3 eggs in this nest. This nest has 4 baby birds in it. The letter O. O. O is for olives. Olives.
Olives.
I see olives in a jar. Olives are so tasty on pizza. The letter P. P. P is for pizza. Pizza.
Pizza.
I wonder whose yummy pepperoni pizza that is. It's Paul's. Paul likes eating pepperoni pizza. The letter Q. Q. Q is for quiet. Quiet.
Quiet.
Alicia has her finger on her lips. She wants us to be quiet. Shh. The letter R. R. R is for rainbow. Rainbow.
Rainbow.
Rain is drawing a rainbow. Look, there's a beautiful rainbow in the sky. The letter S. S. S is for socks. Socks.
Socks.
The baby's socks are on the bed. A pair of purple socks is on the line. The letter T. T. T is for tomatoes. Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Mom got red tomatoes from the garden. Mom is washing the red tomatoes. The letter U. U. U is for umbrella. Umbrella.
Umbrella.
That's a colorful umbrella. Usain is hiding under the colorful umbrella. Judith is eating a red apple under her red umbrella. The letter V. V. V is for vase. Vase.
Vase.
This vase has so many colorful flowers. This small vase has dried flowers. The letter W. W. W is for watermelon. Watermelon.
Watermelon.
William is eating a large slice of watermelon. Wendy and Dad are eating small slices of watermelon. The letter X. X. X is for the X sound at the end of box.
Box.
Xavier found his toy truck in a box. Alexander is pushing his brother in a box. The letter Y. Y. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Unique is eating yummy yogurt. The letter Z. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebra.
Zebra.
Zebras have black bodies with white stripes. This zebra is eating grass. That means it's grazing. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for new videos. See you soon.